Hello viewers, hope you are watching this series and learning something new about manufacturing. In this video series so far, we have learned basics and evolution of manufacturing and automotive industry, evolution till modern age lean manufacturing. In previous video, we discussed about 25 tools of lean manufacturing and also learned first of them, Muda, 8 wastes. In case you have missed it, click on I button to watch it. Now we will continue to learn remaining 24. Our next tool for today's video is 5S. 5S methodology is adopted and promoted as a lean tool at home of lean manufacturing, Toyota, under Sakichi Toyoda. This 5S we are talking about are Siri, Seton, Shiso, Shiketsu, and Shitsuke. Japanese names for salt, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. So, what is 5S? 5S is system for organizing spaces so work can be performed efficiently, effectively, and safely. It focuses on putting things to where they belong and keeping area clean so that they can be found and traced when required without effort. Next question comes, how to do 5S? It is very simple, mentioned in the name itself. Start with sort. Retain only necessary items at workplace. Any unnecessary item or any item that is of no use now should be removed from workstation. Then retain necessary items should be arranged and placed at workstation in manner that they can be of best use for user. All items should be visible and accessible to user without effort. Then shine. For any user, it is imperative that workplace remain neat and tidy always. A dirty workplace will attract unnecessary items and ruin the arrangement. To keep earlier 2S intact, clean the workstation regularly. Proceed with standardize. Every item should have its designated place and item should remain available there. That would create an organized workplace. All this effort till 4S goes in vain if not sustained. So, fifth as is sustain. User should always maintain the set standard till 4S with frequent verification and regular practice. If found necessary, user should review his best practices and focus on further improving it, creating new benchmark. Coming on to the benefits of 5S, it reduces waiting time. As soon as man is ready to start work, there won't be any delay due to preparing workstation. With organized and maintained workplace, productivity increases. Quality of output product improves as well. Above all, 5S helps building safer workplace. Nowadays, this sixth S as safety is also focused in various organizations driven for continuous improvement. To help you understand, I have taken example of my own workstation when I started work from home during lockdown due to COVID-19. My workstation was all jumbled, many items of different variety scattered on my work table, making it a mess. Lot of wiring made it messier, and I found it difficult to even have a water bottle with me. I applied 5S here and started with sort. All the irrelevant items that I didn't needed were removed. Then for remaining items, I set them in order. Can you already see the wish coming true? My water bottle on station. Going ahead with shine, it was just wiping off station to make it neat and tidy. Then standardized. I labeled workstation with items I needed to keep it in most efficient manner. For sustain, I took help of technology. Every day at set time, my Google Assistant remind me to maintain 5S of my station. It takes less than 5 minutes to keep it in way I desire. So 5S is this simple. Just need your will and practice. It can help people organizing stuff at home and factory or even in office. Hope you liked the video. If yes, smash the like button and subscribe to channel to continue learning. Next topic will be Kaizen. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.